Hey online shoppers, let's talk about mustylevo.com. Because if you're thinking of buying from this site, you need to hear this first. Is mustylevo.com safe? In short, no, it's not. Evidence points to mustylevo.com being part of a string of sketchy e-commerce sites, and plenty of red flags are waving. First, customer reputation. People who've bought from similar Evo or style sites say they got fake or totally different products, sometimes nothing at all. The few items that do arrive, super low quality and definitely not like the website photos. Second, the support is pretty much non-existent. The contact US numbers don't work, and emails go unanswered or you just get the runaround, making refunds nearly impossible. Now let's talk about those shady domain details. These sites are often registered for only a single year, loaded with grammar mistakes, and, surprise, there's no real address listed anywhere. And here's the big one. Tons of people say they paid, but never got their orders. The tracking numbers? Fake, or don't even show up in the system. So, how do you protect yourself? First, always check the website's trust score using tools like Scam Advisor before you buy. Seriously, it takes seconds and can save you money and stress. Next, don't just trust the reviews on the site. Look up independent ones on Trustpilot. And finally, if you already bought something and feel uneasy, contact your bank right away about a chargeback or start a dispute if you paid with PayPal. Bottom line, mustylevo.com is a high-risk site with all the classic scam signals. Stick to trusted shops and protect your wallet and your peace of mind.